we're learning about packages that Python already made. And if you want to follow along, just go to replit.com and sign up. And also, remember last time I did like a math video about fractions and addition fraction and subtraction fractions? You can go check that out in the link in the description. And let's start. So we are doing this in Python. Fractions actually. Import fraction. That's not how you spell it. There you go. And this is called the package name. And this is the function. Result. Right, let's do result 1 actually. So we know which one is which because we're doing subtraction and addition. So now we want to do fraction. And wait, I almost forgot about this. 3, 9. Let's do that. And actually not 3, 9. Let's do something else instead. Let's do 2, 3 plus, not equals, plus, there we go, fraction 4, 9. Now, all we have to do, wait, I spelled that one incorrectly. And now print result 1. So return it. See what we get. Okay, there, 10/9. That's exactly what I got in the previous videos when I tried to do fraction addition. Okay, so let's do one last one. Result 2 equals, and then we want the same thing. Now we need 3, 9. The minus, or not, equals. Why do I keep clicking equals? Fraction. And we want 1, 12, because that's what I did last time in the previous video. So now let's put the parentheses and now result 2. Okay, run it. Now I got 1/4. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!